Today, we're going to make the classic Catalan sauce that once you taste it, you will never look back. It's versatile, incredibly tasty, and is just a celebration of the Mediterranean. Hi again, this is Nick, and it's time for Cooking Snippets. And today I'm going to show you how to make an absolute classic of a sauce that encompasses everything from Patience Grey to Ferran Adria, from rusticity to eloquence, from rural life to the cutting edge of cuisine. This sauce has it all. So my first encounter with this sauce was from Patience Grey's iconic book, the 1986 book, Honey from a Weed. Now, the sauce is essentially known as the Catalan fisherman's sauce, in which fish or meat is normally cooked. Now, its base is roasted red pepper, nuts, which is usually almonds or hazelnuts, and roasted tomatoes. Now, there are other ingredients added, but in Patience Grey's words, and I can put this more and say eloquently, the variations of this sauce are legion. Secrecy surrounds the method, and there is no common agreement among the fishermen or cooks about its creation. So what I've discovered though is the sauce's versatility. I often serve it with roasted Spanish marinated pork neck, but it's also equally adept at being served with, say, water crackers and really good aged manchego cheese. Now, Nikki Sengit summed it up beautifully in her book, Lateral Cooking. A good romesco achieves a perfect poise between sweetness, sharpness, and a deep nut buttery savouriness that elevates roast meat, fish, or vegetables to truly awe-inspiring heights of deliciousness. What I bring you today is the version that I make at home. Now, I don't have a wood fire, as Patience did in her time in Catalonia, so the peppers, the garlic, and the tomatoes are oven roasted, but roasting still imparts just a wonderful flavour though. And the garlic, it should just ooze out of those skins and add a real terrific depth to the sauce. Now, the sauce is pepped up with some red wine vinegar, and I actually use a raspberry red wine vinegar, and some chili powder for that original Catalan heat, and just some smoked paprika to just kind of bring it closer to that wood fire taste. And with that in mind, I think we should just get cooking.
Whoa.
And that's a classic romesco sauce for you to try and then to experiment with. Experiment cooking with it and just adding it as an accompaniment. Now I hope you got something from this cooking snippet. If you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then please subscribe. But until next time, let's see if you can cook better, eat better, and feel great. Bye for now.